What if everything you were taught about money was wrong? Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book, it's a mindset shift. Written by Robert Kiyosaki, it tells the story of two father figures. His biological father, the poor dad, who followed the traditional path of education and job security, and his friend's father, the rich dad, who understood how money really works. Through their contrasting philosophies, Kiyosaki breaks down the difference between working for money and having your money work for you. This book has changed millions of lives by revealing what schools don't teach about wealth, investing, and financial freedom. So if you're ready to rethink everything you know about money, let's dive into the powerful lessons of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Two dads. One taught him to chase a safe job. The other taught him to chase financial freedom. One ended up broke. The other retired rich. This is the mindset difference between the poor and the wealthy, explained in minutes. Robert Kiyosaki grew up with two father figures. His biological father, the poor dad, was highly educated but struggled financially. His best friend's dad, the rich dad, never finished school, but became a millionaire. Both gave advice. But what did they believe about money? Completely different. Poor dad said, go to school. Get a good job. Play it safe. Rich dad said, don't work for money. Make money work for you. Most people exchange time for money and stay stuck in the cycle. The rich build systems. They invest in assets that generate income even when they sleep. In school, we learn math, science, and literature, but not money. Rich Dad taught Robert how to read financial statements, understand cash flow, and grow wealth. Financial literacy isn't optional. It's the foundation of freedom. Poor people buy liabilities they think are assets, like expensive cars and big houses. Rich people invest in real assets, like real estate, businesses, stocks, and intellectual property. If it takes money from your pocket, it's a liability. If it puts money in your pocket, it's an asset. Even with a full-time job, Rich Dad encouraged Robert to build something on the side. A personal brand, a business, investments. Because a job is temporary. But the assets you build, that's your escape plan. Poor Dad was scared of failure. Rich Dad saw failure as a teacher. Most people stay broke because they're afraid of losing money, of taking risks, of change. The wealthy learn fast, adapt, and take calculated action. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book about money. It's a book about mindset. Financial freedom doesn't start with more income. It starts with better decisions, better thinking. Don't just work for money. Learn how to make money work for you. For more summaries like this, subscribe to Summary Lab. And drop a comment, what money lesson hit you the hardest?